Hello everyone, it's Chef Timmy James coming back to you today, and today's topic is going to be these cute little sweet peppers that have captured my heart, that I just always have some on hand to make and serve with dinner. They're great with anything that you have. You can make grilled chicken, steak, anything like that. And you don't really have to do anything with them, too much to them, to make them so scrumptious and such a great addition to your meal. But they do come in plastic bags, and this one that I bought was 20 ounces. But you can get a little smaller bags, but I get the biggest one as possible because they are so yummy, and you could actually eat the whole bag yourself. But it's funny because the other day I went to the supermarket to buy these, and I'm rummaging around and going through all the packages to make sure I picked the perfect one. And this really nice woman approaches me and she says, "How do you prepare those? Do you eat them just like that?" And I'm like, "Oh, well, I actually roast them and they're so easy." So I actually showed her what I do to make them. And I let her know about my YouTube channel, this one, and let her know that I was going to be doing this as my next video. So I hope that she's watching, and thank you for inspiring me to make more videos. But you're going to see how easy it is to make these. And what I do, I remove them from the bag, empty them out, and I put them in just a regular foil tray, which you can wash afterwards and reuse it. Not in the dishwasher. They do change their coating on there, so I just like to hand wash it. But what you do is take your extra virgin olive oil that you have, that is handy at all times, salt and pepper, and that's all you need to prepare these. So what I'm going to do is sprinkle them with my extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to toss them around a little bit. Make sure that they are nicely coated. You're going to really love these. Alright. Then I sprinkle them with ground black pepper. I like to use the coarse one a lot of times. There are some instances where I like to use the fine, but on these, I like to use the coarse black pepper. And I just carefully sprinkle them all. And because they are coated with the olive oil, the black pepper sticks to them really nicely. All right, and I will either use sea salt or kosher salt. In this case, I'm using kosher salt. And just sprinkle them with some kosher salt. If you want to toss them a little bit more, you can do that. And I do have a 400-degree oven preheated already, ready for these to go in. And they really only take about 20 minutes total. And I'm going to place them in there. In between, maybe after 8 minutes, I like to take them out a little bit, just turn them over a little bit. When they get blackened, that actually makes them taste so delicious. It gives them a lot more flavor. And then I'll toss them around a little bit and then put them back in for the rest of the time. But just basically cook them until they are to your liking, to the softness that you like. So let me put those in right now. Okay everybody, look at these. I just took them out of the oven, and as you can see, they are still full of color and they are soft. When you look at them, they're so soft, and they just actually make your mouth water when you take them out of the oven. The whole smell of everything is just just truly amazing. But I'm just going to give them a little bit more sprinkle of extra virgin olive oil. And then they always look so colorful on white plates and serving platters. So I'm actually just going to put them right on this platter here. And they always give a really nice presentation to your food. And if you can see them, they're just really colorful, and I just like to arrange them so that all the different colors are showing. And here we go. Look at these. Look how pretty they are. I'm gonna try one out, let you know how it is. To eat these, you don't even have to take the stem off. It's probably gonna be a little hot. I'm gonna take a little taste. And all you do is lift it up by its little stem, call it the little tail. Sweet, flavorful, nice amount of salt and pepper and olive oil. Totally perfect. You will love them. Another thing is that they can also be cooked on a grill. I usually use a griddle pan on there if I do fajitas. And I can just arrange them on there, toss them up, and even add onions to that, sliced onions. And they're always a hit. And if you want to do a low carb dinner, you can have a steak, have these on the side, have another vegetable. But I absolutely love them. I highly recommend them. And let me know what you think. So please, in the comments below, let me know what else you'd like me to do videos on, what else you'd like to learn. I just really enjoy cooking, and I love sharing that with you. And be sure to follow my Instagram. That's Chef Timmy James. TikTok is The Real Chef Timmy James. Follow my YouTube channel. Spread the word. And in the meantime, I will always be loving to cook and cooking with love. And you enjoy yourself, and I will see you soon. Thank you very much.